Hey, it's Holly and welcome to the Proper Pineapple. Today we are going to do our May KnitCrate unboxing. I'm super excited about this, you guys, because this month I have no idea what's going on. Like, literally. Normally, like, they put out, you know, like teasers, or they just flat out show you the colors of yarn and stuff that are coming out this month. I got no idea. Like, none at all. Like, I didn't watch any of the previews. I did nothing. So I'm going to be totally surprised. I'm super excited. So KnitCrate, you guys, they are a wonderful surprise monthly yarn subscription. I get the membership box, which is usually 2 skeins, and usually they have 3 or 4 different color choices for the month. But some months they do like an artisan box where you only get 1. It's just what comes, but it's a really nice skein, and you can get bulky, fingering, DK, you can get all of it, doesn't really matter. So I don't know what I'm getting this month. I've gotten everything. I've gotten all of it, always loved it. Sometimes you get colors you don't like, and there's a great group over on Ravelry for KnitCrate, and people are always happy to trade, because if you get a color you don't like, somebody else got the color you wanted and they don't like it and want to trade. So there's always people that trade. It's always fun to do that. They have, like I said, this is the membership crate. They have sock crates. They have an artisan sock crate. They have a Malabrigo crate. I mean, they have everything. So, you guys, if you are not getting this, you need to go check it out. I have a link down below. It is my affiliate link. And if you use the code Pineapple20, all uppercase letters, no spaces, Pineapple20, you get 20% off your first purchase. So if you're not getting it, you totally have to. I love them. It's always fun. So, got my box. I did cut it. I haven't looked at it yet. Like I said, I have no idea what's going on. So I'm going to do what I always do and show you guys first. So I'll try to lift the paper because sometimes I don't. Ready? Let's hold it up. Does it look good? Will I like it? Let it focus on my face. There it is. Okay. Oh my goodness, I love it! Look at it! Oh, it's beautiful! It's by Knitology by KnitCrate. It is their cozy sock in the color Citrus Squeeze, 75 superwash merino wool, 15% nylon, and 10% cashmere. I love the cashmere. You guys, look at this color. Okay, how fun is that? With the pink and the orange and the yellow. It's totally, okay, if you hear a dog barking, it is my dog. She is outside and she is mad she's not indoors. Oh, it's so great. And we got a little card here. Oh, with this wonderful, let's see. This crate and the March 2019 crate are both featured single skein of luxury yarn plus extras and sometimes a bonus pattern. Although this is, okay, let's see. I don't know if this is a bonus pattern or the pattern. Let's see if it'll focus. There. But it's a beautiful little cowl. We'll have to check the book down here. I did get some extras. I am going to show you, but they always give a book. Really cute. So let's see. There is our beautiful skein. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, they have a couple of different things. Yep, that was the bonus. So this month they've got sock patterns. They have a knit and a crochet, and then this one is I think for the sock crate, and then this cowl is the bonus pattern. Oh, that's so awesome. That's so awesome. They're really, oh look, here's the crocheted socks. I haven't made a pair. I've started making crochet socks, but I've never made a pair, and this is a pretty cute pair, I think, right? I like that. So cute, but I'm probably not going to use this for socks. I love this. Okay, the extras are, let's see, it's this beautiful little knit stitch marker from exchangingfire.com. Let me put it this way because it will focus on it. Maybe. There we go. You see at the bottom down here, exchangingfire.com. This beautiful little glass bead stitch marker for knitting. And then they threw in these adorable, let me put my hand behind it, can they focus on the ladybugs? Little, it's hard to focus. There we go. Ladybug buttons. So cute. What are the ladybug buttons for is what I want to know. But I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Maybe they're for the cowl. Maybe you put buttons on your cowl. I don't know. weirder things have happened. I'm looking. I guess I don't know. I guess I just have to read the pattern. And this one is a bonus, so it has a code on the back that I need to go and download it. So I will be doing that. This little knit stitch marker is adorable. But most importantly, this luxury sock is beautiful. Oh, I love their yarn. I am currently working on a DK shawl pattern with some of their yarn that has cashmere, and it is amazing. This one, look at the colors. It's totally my color scheme with the pinks and the oranges and yellows. So cute. I love this one. I'm going to do something super cute with this because look, it looks good on me, right? So, like I said, guys, if you're not getting KnitCrate, you totally should. Use the link down below and use code PINEAPPLE20 to get 20% off. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I'll talk to you later.